Hello!
Parang mamagapan nung nakaraan yan. Jam! Balik mo lang pesto, tsaka ano? Sagwan. Sila. Mamaya pa yun.
Alright, good morning everyone!
Good morning!
Can hear you guys. Good morning, paddlers!
Good morning!
Alright, that's the fighting spirit. Don't we just love a good energy and a beautiful day? Welcome everyone to the first leg of Dragon Boat Regatta Qatar 2024, hosted by Katara Cultural Village and Inspiration with Dragon Boat Qatar. So we are gathered here today on the shores of the waters to witness the most anticipated competition that brings together both premier and corporate teams to showcase their strength, skills, and camaraderie on the boat. This event is also in celebration of Qatar National Sports Day. So, I know you guys have had your warm-ups already, but a little stretching will help, right? So, may we call on Coach Bob from Powerhouse and Coach Paul from Shark Village.
Okay, so may stretching tayo.
Excuse me.
Paano nagagawa yan?
Spread.
To arms width?
Arms backward.
It's good.
Get your space on the cheeks. Get your space.
Space.
Wait, tangin na mirabol. Don't hit someone.
Itong
Let's begin.
Oh, sorry.
With your arms. Full arms.
stretching.
And the memories bring back, bring back.